Hello and welcome to Brush Cleaning and Restoring tutorial. Look at this brush, it seems clean, right? Let's put it in some paint thinner to make sure it's truly clean. The thinner is not reacting with the brush as it's indeed mostly clean. Still, the brush leaves some pigment residue on the paper towel. This is a sign that the brush needs deep proper cleaning, or it will accumulate more and more internal residue, degrading its performance. VMS Restore Brush Plus is a high-performance brush cleaner. It contains specialized surfactant and multi-spectrum solvent blend that will cope with any model paint, both fresh and months old. You need just about 1 milliliter of it to loosen old paint residue. Unlike generic weak brush restores, which require hours of soaking, VMS Restore Brush Plus works instantly. Just look at all the pigment residue the brush has accumulated, and the paint thinner failed to remove. Let's carry on with the cleaning. This brush has been used for an entire year without deep cleaning and accumulated a lot of residue. All this old paint was dwelling in the bristle of our brush, making it stiff and coarse. If you take care of your brush, 1 deep cleaning a month is enough. Here we repeat the procedure to show you how much residue a brush can accumulate over time. All this old paint was dwelling in the bristle of our brush, making it stiff and coarse. The fluid remains quite clear. This means we removed most of the old paint. Here, the brush is around 95% clean. This is enough cleaning for a big bristle brush like this. Another story. Here we forgot to clean the brush and it's all crusty. Of course, to address a problem like this, we could use paint thinner or paint remover. But if you want your brush truly clean in no time, the Restorer is a better bet. And best of all, it's formulated with ecological ingredients, so the smell and fumes are minimal. Almost done with this one. Smaller bristle means quicker results and less product necessary. All this old paint was dwelling in the bristle of our brush, making it stiff and coarse. Our brush is squeaky clean and ready for more modeling adventures. Final result, these expensive red sable brushes will go a long way from here. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.